Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video I just wanted to make a quick video on this Suzuki Intruder VL800 or Volusia 800 as it's known. Now this is a very common problem on these anywhere from the early 2000s to the late 2000s. The early 2000s had the carburetor and the later ones had the fuel injection, but both of them have this problem, this common problem. I had one of these before that also had this problem, but so the problem is basically the neutral light will not come on, and the car will not the bike will not start. Even if the bike is on neutral, it will not start unless you pull up the kickstand. So that is a sign that the neutral switch is gone, and we're gonna now there are gonna be two options for you. One option is either you replace the neutral switch, or another option that a lot of people don't talk about is you can actually clean it and you can make it work, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So in order to get to the neutral switch, I'm sure there are a lot of videos out there, but I'll just go over it really quickly. So you're going to remove this cover with your key. Of course, behind this cover is going to be this whole big cover, which is covered by this cap that comes off easily. Then there's going to be a 10mm over there, and then there's going to be a 10mm over there here, and that 10mm is going to be behind this cover. So you're just going to pop it up. It has the normal studs that go in the grommets, and once you have done that, you're going to remove that chrome cover that covers over here over the coolant reservoir, which is held by 4 Allen wrenches, Allen keys, number 5 Allens. And after that, you're going to have this cover over here. This is held by 3 8mm. So one here, and one here. The reason you have to remove the big one is because this one is being blocked with the big one, so you have to remove that. Once you are done with that, then you can see the neutral switch over here. Let me turn on the light because it's getting dark. And this is the neutral switch. I've already removed it. It's held by 2 again, it's the same number 5 Allen. Getting to this is easier. This one was a little difficult, and I had to use my Allen wrench to open that. This one I could have just I just did with my extension and the Allen bits. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up with carburetor cleaner, and you can see there are contacts over here. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, there are contacts over here that they usually get dirty and stuff, so we're going to clean this. It's going to clean the contact with some light sandpaper, and we're going to install it back, and that should fix our issue. Because usually these switches, there's nothing complicated in this. There's just it's just a normal circuit. Usually don't go bad but on its own, but the contacts get bad and doesn't get proper contact because something happens on the contacts, corrosion and stuff. So we can just clean it and try it, and this should fix your issue. If not, you could obviously go ahead and change this. In order for changing this, you just have to unplug it from there. This wire is going, and there's a plug in here that goes and connects over here, and then you're going to unplug it from this one, which goes to the kickstand switch. And then there's going to be a wire over here. You can see that one over there. That's the wire that is held. I'm going to zoom into it. Yes, that one. You're going to remove it from there, and that comes off. So the neutral switch basically comes with the whole wiring, so you can buy it brand new or used or whatever. Now the problem with the used one is you could also run into the same issue with the used one, but anyways, this is a very common issue on these, and this is a quick fix. So once you're done with that, you can install everything again, and make sure you put a new o-ring over here, or else you'll have some oil leakage from there, which we don't want to happen. And that's about it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Alright guys, just a little follow-up before I go. Finally, I should have done this before, but I decided I'll just show it to you because I fixed it and wanted to show you the results. So here we have it on. and you can see the neutral light is coming. I'll just press down on the gear. It's not going to shift into gear, but you can see it turns off, comes on, turns off, comes on. That means it's working, and our plan worked, our procedure worked. So if this video helped you guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time in another video. Please like, share and subscribe.